Welcome to the new CARA spring palette. And believe it or not, all of these colors are on my model's eyes. And I'm going to show you how to do this because everyone that sees this palette goes, oh my gosh, there's no way I could wear this. And look how absolutely beautiful it is on her eyes and how soft it can look. The first thing that you want to do is I'm actually applying I'm using 3 different brushes. I'm going to use the number 5. I started off with, this is a new color, it's called Jerez, and it is like a shell kind of peachy color. And this one goes all over the lid and into the crease. So I did this with the number 5. The next step is the same number 5 brush, and I used this color, it's called Lucia. And this one is going to go on the outer third of the eye, and I'm gonna blend that in. So it's a very layered type of look. The next one is going to be with my little brush number 22. And I applied this new color, it's called Granada, and it's a vibrant green. This color goes all over into that inner corner and the lower lid. And then I went over it with Toledo. This is a gorgeous shimmery gold, and that gold goes over. So what it does is it gives it this softer blend and really creates just a really, really pretty combination of colors. And so by adding that, a little bit of the green on there and then going in with the gold, you would never think in a million years that you've got this color on your eyes. And for the final step, we're going in with the number 15 brush, and that is Sevilla. This is a beautiful matte purple, and the Sevilla is gonna go on the outer corner and a bit into the crease. And adding the matte really kind of helps to not make this look overly shimmery or intensified, and adds that beautiful softness. And then for the under eye liner, I used a little tiny number 13, it's our smudger brush, and adding a little bit of that green right underneath here. With her eyes, it's absolutely stunning, but it's also beautiful if you have brown eyes too. And it gives a very soft look. And then for the top liner, it is a black pencil, and I added the pencil underneath added it right underneath into the waterline, and then also above, and gave it a little bit of a wing. And then with a liner brush, or a nice thin little angle brush, I added Sevilla over the black. Close your eyes for me. And you take this, and that also softens the black and gives you a really, really pretty combination right there. And that is the beautiful Soulful palette. Don't be afraid, try it out. It's absolutely stunning. This is just one of the looks that we can do. And then of course, finished it with Perfecta base. So she has a nice matte coverage and some blush. We did Veil, Bimini, and a little bit of Congo. And then also with our Phoenix lipstick, or lip gloss, actually. Finished it with a gloss. So really the focus is all about the eyes. Love this, and now she's ready for spring.